Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, going to settings. Now you need to choose sound and vibration over here and tap on vibrate for calls. Then select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. After that, scroll down, choose advanced, scroll down again and tap on shortcut to prevent ringing. You can select vibrate over here by tapping on it and go back. Finally, click on the switchers next to charging sound and vibration, touch vibrations and undergoing call vibration to enable or disable vibrations for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!